Hello, this is the Time Trade channel. You've probably heard about trading with neural networks, but have you seen how it works live, in real time and with good results? Today I will show you how I personally use an advanced neural network in combination with my trading logic to make accurate decisions in the currency pairs market. This is a cool strategy. I do not promise quick money, but on the contrary, I demonstrate a logical, step-by-step and responsible approach to trading. By the way, the neural network I am currently working with is still available for free. You will have the tool forever after connecting via the link in the description. Please like, subscribe to the channel and click the bell to stay in touch and be aware of the top strategies. Let's get started. Now you see the interface of the trading bot in Telegram. First, you need to select a currency pair from the list for your first trade. Let's take the Australian dollar and the Swiss franc. After that, I go to the Pocket Option Broker and find this currency pair in the search bar in advance. I will set the expiration time to 5 minutes. Now I return to the bot interface and click the expiration time button for 5 minutes. As you can see, the neural network analyzes the market. After the analysis, the trading bot gave a signal to increase the price on the 5-minute time frame. Well, now I will go to the Pocket Option Broker and look at the situation on the market. Okay, I click the green button to buy in accordance with the signal from artificial intelligence. Friends, I want to tell you a little more about the terms of the promotion. Only this month you can connect this trading tool for free. After connecting, the neural network remains with you forever. Every day, on permanent terms, you will receive an unlimited number of signals that can help you make the right trading decision. The link is in the description. Go to this bot and using its instructions, join the community of people who use artificial intelligence to improve their analysis. If you have any questions, be sure to write to our manager. He will help you understand all the nuances and connect to the broker. A trading bot is a reliable assistant that analyzes data from leading indicators in real time and provides ready-made recommendations on the direction of a transaction. As a trader with over 10 years of experience, I can confidently say this tool significantly speeds up the analysis process and increases the efficiency of decision-making. It helps you focus on opening accurate transactions, without the need to constantly switch between multiple windows and charts. All important information from 12 main indicators is collected in one place, which makes your trading easier, faster, and more effective. Guys, I invite you to a free training, where you will finally understand how the currency pair market really works. I help beginners understand the laws of price movement, teach the basics of market analysis and show how to correctly determine key support and resistance levels. I give only the necessary theory in an understandable form and show its application in real trading sessions. This training is not dry information from books, but a live practical approach that will allow you to trade consciously, with an understanding of the logic of the market. You will see how I make decisions in real time, how I analyze the situation and enter into transactions, and you will be able to adopt these skills for your own trading. If you want to get out of the state of uncertainty and start moving towards a stable result, join us. This training is suitable for both those who are taking their first steps and for those who have already tried to trade, but did not get the desired results. Regarding registration for training, write a private message at the link in the description. As a professional, I will say that from the very beginning, beginners need to try to understand the basic nuances of trading. Trading logic is very important because the final decision to open a trade always remains with the person. Let's now conduct our technical analysis on the Australian dollar and Swiss franc currency pair on the TradingView terminal. I just want to show how I do market analysis without recommendations and guarantees of results. This is just my point of view on the market situation. I see that the price has turned down from the resistance area and reached the local support area. After that, I see a price rebound upwards. In my opinion, this is due to the activity of buyers who dominate the market. Note that the trend is going up from the key support area. Now, after the price correction, the volume of buyers has appeared on the market. Therefore, I am sure that the price will rebound from the local support area. Well, let's make sure that my analysis is correct and the signal from artificial intelligence is accurate. Watch this video to the end and please write in the comments whether you have traded on the market using a neural network and what results you got. Guys, if you want to continue to understand the intricacies of the market in practice, just stay in touch. Your support is always felt. I would be very grateful for a like and do not forget to subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new videos. My content is intended for educational purposes only. I do not provide financial advice and do not give recommendations on the channel. I demonstrate practical approaches to trading based only on my experience. That is, these are only my personal results. Therefore, trade responsibly and consciously, observing all the rules of risk management. Trading on the currency pairs market using artificial intelligence opens up new horizons for those who are ready to combine technology with a clear and thoughtful approach. A neural network is not magic, but it can be a powerful assistant when you understand how to use its signals correctly. It processes an enormous amount of data in real time, detecting patterns that are almost impossible for a human to notice quickly. But the key is not just receiving a signal. The real result comes when this signal is interpreted through the lens of your own trading logic. You shouldn't follow the AI blindly, it shows the direction, but your experience and understanding of the market help to choose the right moment, confirm the entry with additional observations, and avoid impulsive decisions. The trader becomes not just a user of the signal but its active interpreter. This connection between machine and human analysis creates synergy, which often leads to consistent and profitable trading. However, even the most accurate signals and cleverest strategies can be destroyed in seconds if you ignore the basic principles of capital preservation. The biggest trap for novice traders is overconfidence or impatience. That's why it's critical to always follow strict money management. You should never risk more than 3% of your total deposit in a single transaction. This is not a random recommendation, it's a rule that protects you from emotional decisions and deep drawdowns. Guys, I want to remind you that this trading instrument can be picked up for free under the terms of the promotion. The trading bot will remain with you forever and you can use the full functionality on permanent terms. I will leave the link in the description. If you are interested in trading with all the data, then go right now because the promotion lasts only 30 days. Meanwhile, the first trade ended successfully. I got a good result thanks to my analysis together with the signal from the bot. If you use the signals from the neural network correctly in accordance with the market behavior, you can work with profit. Let's open a second trade on a 1-minute time frame, increase the investment amount to $1,600 and change the currency pair to the Swiss franc and Japanese yen. Now I will go to the trading bot interface to receive a signal. I press the currency pair button and the expiration time button. Let's wait a few seconds. So, according to artificial intelligence, the price may go down. Okay, I think seller's activity will increase. I press the red button. If you want to study trading and combine your trading logic with the forecast from artificial intelligence, then welcome to the link in the description. You can connect to this bot for free within 30 days. The tool will always be with you. You can also write to me about training. I will help beginners understand the currency pairs market and correctly apply technical analysis. Trading on the currency pairs market with the help of artificial intelligence can significantly improve results, but only if the trader understands how to properly interpret and apply the signals it generates. The neural network processes vast amounts of data and identifies patterns, but the trader must still use their own logic to confirm entries and avoid acting impulsively. AI should be seen as a supportive tool rather than a substitute for personal analysis. Even accurate signals can lead to losses if the trader ignores basic risk control. That's why strict money management is essential, especially for beginners. Risking no more than 3% of the deposit on each trade helps preserve capital during losing streaks and gives the trader a chance to continue learning and adjusting their strategy. Ultimately, success comes not just from technology, but from discipline, emotional control, and thoughtful decision-making. So, I see that the second trade is over. I made good money. Thanks to artificial intelligence, new opportunities for beginners appear. Take the bot absolutely free via the link in the description and use modern technologies. Time Trade Channel was with you. Bye.